When monsoon is irregular, the volume of rainwater showered onto your roof is unpredictable. Are your roof gutters capable of withstanding the brunt of heavy, torrential rainwater flow from the roof? Introducing Aizar Hybrid gutters. Its patented, innovative, corrugated design enables the gutter to hold 27 liters of water in 1 meter. The tall front side prevents the overflow of water from the roof. Aesthetically designed, perfectly fitting and long-lasting accessories makes Aizar Hybrid gutters exceptional. Strong GI clamps that could be kept 1 meter apart. On the left and right ends of the gutters, separate end caps and end drops to be placed. To connect two gutters, extension and extension drop are to be used. Separate accessories for 90-degree outward and inward angles of the roofing. These accessories, marked elbow outward and elbow inward, have to be fitted properly so that the taller side comes in the front. Where two roofs join inward, elbow inward and elbow drop inward have to be used. Likewise, when roofs join outward, elbow outward and elbow drop have to be used. The design and manufacturing of hybrid gutters are truly superlative. For an easy downward flow, the star-shaped bottom is very helpful. Under this, introduced by Aizar Hybrid for the first time in the world, the dual outlet system. The same Aizar fitting with drops can be converted from 4-inch to 6-inch to control the flow of water. Where the outflow is low, a 4-inch outlet is used, and where the outflow is high, a 6-inch outlet is used. Thus, Aizar Hybrid gutters provide the efficiency of 10-inch and 12-inch gutters respectively. For your dream home, choose the world-class Aizar Hybrid gutters. Extremely beneficial and ideal for domestic as well as industrial purposes. Aizar rain gutters, because large roofs need large gutters.